It's August already. I tell you what, last month was just so much fun, and I'm going to do this video a little bit differently because I'm going to add into it, after I've done this little intro, a couple of the photos and the video footage that I took while I was over in Singapore at the B1G1 convention, because it was the most fun experience. I hadn't been to Singapore before, so it was really exciting, scary, and then loads of fun, and lots of connections were made. So I hope you enjoy my little share at the end of this around Singapore and the fun time I had there. Coming up in August, it's more of the same. I'm getting to work with a whole bunch of you through Unlock Your Power. In fact, there's a testimonial above this that will talk about the one of my amazing clients, Alf, and what his experience has been over the last 18 months of completing the Unlock Your Power program. So I get to do more of that, which is very cool, and I always love sharing that with you all. There's not much to tell about August. Well, not that I know about yet anyway. So I'm sure that more things will be revealed as I get through the month. And I will have updates for you at the beginning of September. So until then, I hope you are having a fun time. Enjoy the month ahead, and I will see you all again in a few weeks.